Alrighty guys, Double A here, and here's a project we got started here. Our house is right there, so what we're doing is we're taking all them chicken and we're going to make that part of the sheep pen and make the sheep pen part of the cow pen, so things will be a little bit different over there. But as you can tell, we got us a little staging area set up. I gotta get rid of some materials. Alright, so let's pick them up. Okay, so what we have here is going to be a automatic chicken farm. It's not very big, I know. I don't need a whole lot, so I'm not going to go crazy with materials. This is going to be the last video that I upload for a little while. We've had a death in the family and things haven't quite been going so great. I'm having surgery October 3rd, so I'm going to be out of commission for a little while. Another shoulder surgery. But you know what? Enough of that. Let's get into this. So here's going to be the chicken pen. Let's see how much time we got. We got daylight, right? Yeah, we got enough. We got a bed right here. So what we're going to do is first things. Where did I put the chests? Right here. Dumb me. I brought chests to put. And then I go and. What a numbskull. Oh, nothing in it now. Might as well just do it. I empty one chest out and grab the wrong stinking chest. Oh, this is gonna suck. Come on, pick up the chests. Thank you. I got the other chest. Thank you. Okay. So let's get these in place first. That's gonna be the easiest thing. So they are in place. Let's go get all this crap put away. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Let's see, get all this down here at the bottom. Alright, pick up all this. That wasn't as much as I thought. Cool. Alright, whoops. So we have that in place. Let's go ahead and grab us some hoppers. The half slabs are right here, some half slabs. Let's see, hoppers, half slabs. Don't need the stairs right now. Save the glass for later, and let's grab all this. Okay. So, you know what, before I do that, I want to... Not liking that. Going down already? I don't have any on me? Well, I guess we'll go get them. I'm looking for some redstone lamps. So we're going to grab some of them and put them up. That's going to be our primary lighting on the outside for what we have going on out here. Aquarium with nothing in it yet. I was waiting for it. Really? Did I just do that? Durr. Waiting for some squids to spawn. They ain't spawning yet. Let's see. They are right here. 2. We will be making some more. Let's get rid of the dirt. And we need redstone. Come here. And we need glowstone. So let's put that there. Works for me. Come on, thank you. And let's get you back. Wait, you're right here. Hey. Right there. Okay, that's better. Pick you up. And I think we got enough torches. Yeah, we got like a full stack of torches, I think. But it should be nighttime now. So we're gonna hit the hay. Hopefully nothing spawned outside while we were goofing around. Cool, nighttime's just happening. Awesome. Alright. Eventually that will just be nothing but cattle. All cows and sheep. That's what I'm working towards. So nothing spawned, right? Yeah, there's a couple out there, no big deal. See, one was over here to the right on fire. Where's you is? There it is right there. We can't be messing around. There's that one. Is that the only one that was over here? Ooh, I should fill that in. Not right now though. Cow. No creepers. We don't want any creepers. We're going on creeper patrol first. First and foremost, it's creeper patrol. Take it easy. No creepers. No jungle monsters. Nothing. Nothing. Alright, I think we'll be alright. So, let's see here. Lamps. Thought I heard something. I'm paranoid. Yeah, I thought we had a stack of these. Oh well, we can get them easy. Got wood all around us. So what I want to do is I want to put this here. Put a lamp, and a lamp, a lamp, and a lamp. So we have some lighting. Alright, and fill this in. So there we go. So now we've got some lighting here. That works. And you know what we should probably do is warp, at least build this up a little bit. Hey, there we go. And while we're working, I'm going to block this off. Okay, so now we're going to put another row on this. This is 9 deep by 20 long. So 20 by 9, and this is dead center. This would be, let's see, that 9, 10, 11, and then on up. So we're going to put another layer on this just to avoid any kind of issues. We don't want no issues. There's that one. Oh, cool. And one more row. I guess that one's going to stay there. Hey, where'd you go? Alright, so there we go. So now, hoppers. There they are. So now we're going to put a single hopper into here by shift click, because if you just click at it, it's not going to work. So shift click. And this is where the chickens are going to die. This is the what will be the murder room. And this is going to be 2 wide. It's going to be 6 long. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. See, they're all pointed at each other by shift clicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, there's not a whole lot of room there, is there? So now we have the half slabs. There they are. Shift click on top of them. And stuff that dies or gets dropped by when these guys get killed will drop through those and into here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Empty chest, throw a hopper, hopper disappears, hopper's here. So that's how that works. So now we need to get our blocks back. And one more. Go away. Alright, finish this. Oh, get out of the way. So now on top of this, and I don't have it on me, do I? No, I don't. Dispensers. Dope. Dispensers. We need 13 dispensers. And I can get rid of the lamp. The torch for now. Alright, so I know they can still get up here. Not now. Not now. Right? Meh, oh well, whatever. It's daylight. We got a bed. We'll be good. Daylight, it's high noon. Alright, so now we're going to take these dispensers. We're going to point 5, 6. Right at the middle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey. So now, this room is almost finished. Murder room. I know it's such an awesome name. Just where everything goes to die. Death chamber. So now up here will be another. Oh, I can't fret. Yeah, there we go. Up here will be another dispenser facing this way, and this dispenser will. Let me see here. Hey, this dispenser will drop the eggs. So let's go ahead and block this off. No, I don't want to do that. I do want to do this though. And it will shoot the eggs out. Eggs will come out, hit this block, break, and drop down as chickens. So come down here, sit around, do nothing. They'll be babies. Once they grow, their heads get clipped by this and they go die. Hey, that's not right. That's too low. I gotta fix that. That's one too low. They need to be. That's right, isn't it? I don't recall. Now let me go check my. Oh yeah, you're gonna get to see the layout. I know. This is what's gonna look like in the end. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Then hopefully you didn't get too good of a look. Okay. So I was right. It just doesn't look right for some reason. Anywho. Alright, so now let's keep going. And build us some stairs. Okay. Hoppers. Hopper needs to go into there. And from here is when it gets different. This is when it gets a little bit on the special side. Let me see here, hold on. No, wait, that's right. Yeah. That's the back of the building right there. Okay, I thought I was off. So no, we're good here. So now we need to keep with the front of the building, which is right here. So let's bring this up. Come on. Bring it up. And now we're going to wrap around this, because this is going to be basically like an empty layer. And let's see here, we need, for how big I made it. Oh god, got it. Don't look. Let's see, this is 4 by 3, that's what I thought it was. Stay. 4 wide by 3 high. And it comes right down on top of this right here. Yeah, matches right up. Okay. Oh no, it's one behind. Oh, that's why it wasn't looking right. One behind. Jeez. Okay, so I can't do my jumping because it's not right. That's right, we got stairs. So one behind, which is right here. Alright. So 4 by 3, which is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I didn't need to have this here. This goes out one more. Okay, now I'm right. Okay, I'm good now. I'm good now. We good. So we're gonna have everything feed into here. This is going to be 4 wide. And is that centered? I'm OCD like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, see, now it looks right. 1, 2, 2. Hey, get away. Oh, doggone it. Is he in here? Oh, he's in there. I know it. See? And we'll put this back here. We'll put this where it goes. Okay, so now we got all the hoppers here. Let's get this wall up. Alright, that's better. Okay. I feel better now. Oh man, I was losing my freaking mind for a second there, wasn't I? Alright, so that's that. And stone slabs here, because the same thing. Chickens are going to be here. They're going to lay their eggs, and with the eggs will drop down here, go into the dispenser, blast out. I did leave a block, right? See, doggone, I hate when I do this stuff like this. Yes, I did leave a block. Okay. Alright, so it's getting close to nighttime. We should probably go sleep. I gotta build a new staircase. Staircase built. Come on, bed, 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 bed. Alright, so we got this room just about done. Now the room needs to be a little bit bigger for the chickens. This doesn't have to be really big because they don't need a lot of space. We'll give them a little headroom though, because they like to fly. Let's see, and they like to jump at least. We'll give them a little bit more. This will work. There we go. Now originally my design had bars up here for these, you know, kind of like they're being held hostage or prisoner. But I was running into a problem with the eggs and the chickens being stuck on the ledge here. So you know what we can do? We can add another row. What the heck? Where'd they go? Here they are. That's not so bad. That'll work. I could add another row, but I don't want too many. I don't want it to lag the system out. Alright, so now we're going to put, this will be glass all through here, which I don't have any on me. Not a problem. I have it all here. Let's see, glass it is in this one. There we go. I remember now. Let's see, and I need to make myself a new ladder. New staircase. There we go, that's better. Let's see, glass. That one. No, we don't want that one there. Should I bring it out another one? You know what, I'm going to. I'll bring it out one more just because I can. I didn't want to at first. Oh no, I don't have the hoppers for it. Easy to fix. Not a problem. Okay. So we need to get you back where you go. So get rid of this. Now this still needs to go. So let's put these in place first. And these. You know what I'm going to do? I need to put a hopper here. I can put one here. Or I can move the whole row up. It's probably going to be easier. I'll just move this whole row up. Dispenser up. Oh, doggone it. There. I kind of changed it a little bit on the fly, and when you do that, things like this happen. So let's just go ahead and fix this right now. See what this row over. That one needs to come out. Good, I got it. And you can go here. You gotta come out. You gotta come out. Because they're facing the wrong way. So we put a block here. Get rid of this one. Dispenser. Chicks, boom. There we go, okay. Got it now. Got it, coach. Now, that one can go here. Those will all these all point to this one. And we can put this here. And I'm going to be back in here in a little bit to do some wiring. Okay, that works. That's what we'll do. Okay, that's good. I can handle that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can put the glass in. Now it looks right. Yes, much better. Let's cap the room off. Let's see, let's go with, yeah, that works. That looks good. And leave that back row open. Hey, what am I doing like that for? Much better. Alright. So that is that, and I'll just break away a section to put the eggs in. So take a quick peek. Let me see here. These won't be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. What am I doing? That's right. And then these go over. You go away. Try to remember my design. I did the design like kind of on the fly. It just worked out to be like freaking perfect. I wasn't, you know, measuring nothing out or anything like that. So, yep, that's that. So now, let's work on making this thing a little bit safer real quick. Let's get this on. Let's see here. I want I'm just trying to think here. Looking at it. Obviously, these have to be a little bit higher because we got to get doors in here. These be for the doors, and doors are too high. Wow, my phone is ringing. Hold on, be right back, guys. Sorry about that. I am back. Let's see here. So we're gonna finish this. Boosh. There we go. We obviously need to be able to stand up in here. And we want to be able to see this. So here we go. It's taking shape all by itself. See, I didn't have this stair down like this in my test, so didn't know how I was going to do it, but I think we have it. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got it all figured out now. And get it. Ah. Hey. Alright, and then we're gonna bring this down. Over here. No, come on here, I'll finish it over. Alright. There's that. And then give it a look at. Oh. is going all the way out. Damn it. I want to get this part done, and I want to go lay down because I'm a little tired. So this has 2. I wanted to have 2. This has 2. Watch them give birth. Now let's see how it looks. I missed it. That looks better. You'll see. We'll make it prettier. Don't worry. Alright guys, I'm going to call it for the night. This is Double A with BAPC Gaming, and I will talk to you guys later, and we will get this thing finished next time.